Oh, Cody. Huh? There's one's got out, Cody. Come on, boys. Who's your pups, Cody? Who's your pups? Hello, puppies. Hello, puppies. Hello, puppies. You trying to get out? Hmm? Oh, bad. You trying to get out? Huh? You guarding them, Cody? You guarding them? Hello, puppies. Good girl, Cody. Huh? I let them out a wee run. Gosh, it's cold, isn't it? Hello, puppies. Oh, look. Here's the trips. Hello, boys. Come on.
Even the wee bits is out there.
Mhm.
One.
That wee one was out completely.
Which one? Oh no, I seen it run through that. I seen it though.
She's saying, get away. I'm fed up looking at you. Hello, Cody. Hello, girl. They're lovely pups.
That's hilarious now.
Hmm. Hello, puppies. Hello, puppies. Come on.
Look at the wee one at your feet.
Uh-huh. Come on, puppies. That wee gingery one's lovely, isn't it? Come on.
Down. Look, it's the size of
Look at that.
Look, it's the size of Midge.
Uh-huh. Hello, wee puppy. He's lovely. Hello, wee puppy.
He's the wee boy, I bet you. He's the wee one that was in the house and all.
There's one there up at the back of the...
That's the wee bitch.
Come on. What do you think, Cody?
She's the nicest one out of them all, isn't she?
Aye, the wee gingery one.
The wee girl one.
Mhm.
Her.
Mhm. That's them all out now. Come on. It's scared its way in again. They have changed even their colouring. Hello, wee puppies. Hello, wee puppies. You'll be glad to see the back of them, Cody. Won't you? She's been a very good mother, hasn't she?
She's still fun.
Hmm? There's some puppies. Oh, look at that. Oh. Huh? Oh, you're vicious.
Okay, no.
Is it fighting with him?
Yeah, I thought so.
Come on, wee puppies. Come on, wee puppies. Hello, wee puppies. Hello. You scared? You scared? Come on. Come on, fat chops, look. Fat chops. Nothing wrong with your appetite. Hello, wee puppy. Oh, they're gorgeous. Mm. Cody! Cody! Uh-huh. This is crafty. Come on, Cody. Has Millie got water? You're getting it now?
Aye, no, she doesn't have one. Look, she's thirsty, she is.
Uh-huh.